Hi, I'm Jay Whaley with Whaley Studios here in San Diego. I've got a new tool I'd like to introduce to you today. You know, there's a problem with cutting bezels to make them nice and square in the ends so you can bring the ends of the bezel around and form a bezel around a stone. With this little tool, it's a metal cutting shear that we've attached a little guide to the side of this blade. Now, this bezel that I'm going to cut right here is a very thin, about a 28 gauge bezel. And what I'll do is I'll put this up against this little ridge here on this guide. I'll hold it down with my thumb. It makes a fast cut. It makes a beautifully square cut right on the end of that bezel. It works for also wider and thicker bezels too. So this bezel happens to be, this is fine silver, and it happens to be a 22 gauge bezel. I'm going to lay that there on my guide again, right up against that edge. I'll hold this down with my thumb, and it cuts a beautifully square end on that nice thick 22 gauge bezel. This is the same 22 gauge bezel, a little bit narrower. It fits here on the guide like that to cut it. Hold my thumb down, beautiful square cut. So this is a fabulous tool for making bezels nice and square, and it's available from Eurotool.